Good afternoon all, we are in southwest London with this VW Sharan. Basically we got called in on this one because it was thought to be an EGR issue, but when we did further investigation we realised that the DPF was clogged up. So we took a look at the system and quite amazingly this was the state of the DPF pressure sensor, completely melted and was given a negative reading. So it got so clogged up, but it hadn't realised it. So we're replacing the sensor, and this is just having its first stage flush now. So just thought we'd give you an idea of this. This service, including the engine carbon clean, has cost us or cost the customer £339.99 plus a new sensor. So if you need our services, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you can go to our website carbon-cleaning.co.uk. Have a great day.